Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever felt unsteady on your feet and want to improve your balance and stability, this short practice is for you. Today, I will guide you through 5 gentle standing poses to help build strength, balance, and confidence. Feel free to use a chair or wall for support. Let's get started. First, let's start in mountain pose, our power grounding pose for support in the entire body. Spread your feet hip width apart, relax your shoulders, let your arms be at your side, tuck your tailbone in and engage your core. Let's hold for 2 breaths. Deep breath in, exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Good. From mountain pose, we'll go right into heel and toe rocks. Slowly lift your heels, grounding your toes into the mat or your floor, and shifting your weight back, lifting your toes up. Good. It's going to be working, engaging our entire leg muscles here. Great strength for our ankles. Continue to engage your core. About 3 more times here, back and forth. Gently rock. Very nice. Let's do 2 more. And good, release. Next, we'll move on to a single leg stand. Shift your weight into your right foot. Bring your hands up to prayer. Keep your core nicely pulled in and engaged. And slowly lift your left foot a few inches off the floor. Focus on a point in front of you and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Release. Shift that leg out a little bit. Very nice. Let's switch sides. Remember, you can use a chair or a wall for support. So let's shift your weight into your left foot. Again, bring your hands into prayer. Keep that core engaged. Focus on a point in front of you. And breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Drop down. Shake it out. Release. The single leg stand helps strengthen and stabilize muscles that support balance. Stick with me. We have 2 more poses. Next, we have a modified tree pose. Starting off with the right foot. Ground your right foot into the mat. Bring your hands again up to prayer. Lift your left heel and place it up against your right ankle. Good. Again, focus on a point in front of you and breathe. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do 1 more. Let's challenge ourselves. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Very good. The tree pose helps to improve focus, coordination, and balance. Our final pose, Warrior 3. Shift your left foot back. Place your weight into your left foot. Bring your hands up into prayer. And let's hinge forward on our right leg. You may use a chair as support. Lift your left leg up and hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Release. Bend your right leg. Come back down. And let's switch to the other side. Right leg goes back. Place all your weight into your right leg. Bend your left knee. Let's hinge forward. Again, using your chair for support and balancing. Let's hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring that leg down. Hands up to prayer. and step together. Wonderful job. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like a deeper practice, I would love for you to join me on Tuesday, June 16th for my live Zoom class, Finding Balance, Gentle Yoga, and Wellness Reset. You can find the registration link in the description below. Also, if you enjoy this practice, be sure to subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.